Hi guys, this is Fedotoff. So in this video, I want to explain one of the main reasons why people fail with Facebook ads. You know, like a lot of people getting and starting with Facebook ads, a lot of people spending money on it. You know, some people successful, but a lot of people are not successful with Facebook ads. So in this video, I want to explain one of the main reasons why majority of people are not successful with Facebook ads. And that reason is basically not understanding the traffic temperature and not understanding their main markets that they're targeting. So let's say if you want to sell, let's say some gadget, right? And you go to Facebook and you try to sell it. You put some ads in place and you put like some image in place, right? You start to sell your items. You want to sell your items. But then, you know, if people just first see your items for the first time, they see the image of your item, they do not understand how it works. They do not understand, you know, what it does. They do not understand the benefits of this product. There is like very little chance that those people will buy your product. So what you need to understand the temperature of that traffic is cold, and they have no idea about your product. They have no idea about what you do, what you sell. So what you need to do is you need to attract those people in with some type of creative that basically explains the benefits of your products. That could be a video, that could be a slideshow, that could be something that communicates the benefits and basically does it in a very fast way in like 5, 10, 15, like 20 seconds. So people can just almost instantly understand the value of your product that it brings to their lives. And so after you have that, you can then use, you know, like images and other things to retarget people who have been on your website, who have seen your ads, who have clicked on your ads, who commented, who liked. Like you can engage all of those audiences back to your website and you get them to convert. Then you can use like images and all of those kind of things to basically get people back and get them to convert. But then, you know, that traffic is warm. So just understanding this traffic temperature, just understanding how to get people to trust you and just to get their attention for the first time and explain the benefits of your product. If you can do that, like a lot of roads will open for you, because you'll be able to basically create ads for almost any products that is sellable on Facebook, and you'll be able to sell them at profit, and you'll be able to build a sustainable business for yourself, for your client, or for anyone who you want to build a business for. So that's basically one of the main mistakes, and now you know exactly how to not do that mistake. So if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel below and like this video, comment, just ask any questions in the comments. And guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.